I'm on day 3 of a juice cleanse. I'm feeling really good. I'm following the medical medium juice cleanse that he mentions in his first book. And basically I'm having a green juice that has cucumber, celery, and apple in it every 2 hours throughout the day. And then in between, I'm supposed to have lemon water. Today, I made 2 additions though, grape juice and watermelon juice, just so I can get some added nutrients in. I heard that grape is really good for moving the lymphatic system. And since we have so much watermelon, I felt like I should have some of that as well. So in general, I'm feeling really good. I think that because I did raw Ramadan and I had raw food the entire month of Ramadan, I feel like my body was really well prepared to do this. So I'm not getting huge detox symptoms like splitting headaches or anything like that. Instead, my body is purging a lot through the skin, but I also see that it is healing. I don't think 3 days is enough. I feel like I need to continue at least a few more days because I do see the body is healing and I want to continue supporting it in that process. I also feel like that one of the biggest revelations that I've had is that the importance of having positive thoughts and a positive frequency. I think that when we have any type of thought that's born, like in negativity, it only starts harming our own body. So I feel like there's a huge connection between our emotions and our physical body. And so I'm realizing that in order to heal the physical body, it has to be from the emotions as well. So I feel like this detox is helping me with that. Overall, I just have so much gratitude. The fact that I can do this cleanse and for the amazing community, for the people who have written me messages, it really means the world because it is challenging, it's not easy, and but at the same time, I know it's going to be worth it, and I'm just holding on to faith and prayer and keeping very good mantras and praying all the time, and hopefully, the outcome will be good. I'm wishing you all the best, sending you lots of love.